Students, this is 93rd maths class. 93rd maths class. So let's solve this question, students. Prove that first question, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Is equal to pi by 2. Second one, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Third one, cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Look at that question, students. It is so easy to prove. Try to by heart. Better to by heart, because we use these formulas, we use these concepts in differentiation, that is in one more chapter also. So by heart, students, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Second one, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals pi by 2. Third one, cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to 90. Proving these formulas is so easy, dead easy. Look at this, friends. Solution. As usual, you go for put either sin inverse x equals theta or cos inverse x equals theta. From both that could be solved. That means you take one among these two has theta. You need not to take theta always. You can take your own symbol, any of your own symbol. Now I go for proving that. Put sin inverse x equals theta. That implies you send sin inverse right side. Send sin inverse right side. X equals sin theta. X equals sin theta. You know this very well, students, sin theta. Now you look at that given question. That clearly the question is containing pi by 2. So the question is having 90. I have to create 90 from this. Creating 90 is required. How easily I create 90? Look at this, students. X equals change sign into cos. I told you that already. Whenever change is required, consume 90. Do you remember, students? 90 minus theta, consume 90. 90 already remember. So right, you change sign into what? Cos. So that is how do you write 90 minus theta. So what is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. For a change, you go for using a 90 minus. Right? Now you bring cos this side. That implies cos inverse x equals pi by 2 minus theta. Last step, students, bring that minus theta this side. This implies theta plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We got the answer. Finally, you write what is this theta? What this theta is? Theta means sin inverse x. Substitute for theta. So that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. I proved that first one. Similarly, you can prove that second, third also. Right? Now I go for proving the second one. Put tan inverse x equals theta. Put tan inverse x equals theta. Send tan inverse right side. That implies x equals tan theta. X equals what? Tan theta. Again that implies x. Change required. Y change required? 90 required. Why 90 required? 90 is appearing in that given question. So how you create? How do you create 90 here? It's so simple. Tan theta. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. What is cot 90 minus theta? Tan theta. Tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. You will change tan into cot. Cot 90 minus theta. Bring the cot this side. That implies cot inverse x equals pi by 2 minus theta. Bring that minus theta this side. So theta plus cot inverse x equals pi by 2. So therefore, finally you write what is theta? Substitute for theta. Theta is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals what? Pi by 2. I hope you understood this. So you only prove that third one. I leave this third one to prove by yourself. So right. Same proof. Let's move on to one more question, students. So let us go for one more question. So right. Find the values of the following. Next question. Find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. First question in that tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Right? This can be solved. This problem can be solved by two methods, students. It's so easy question. Look at this solution. How much is tan inverse 1 value? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. So right, that is, I take that question once again. Tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. How much is tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus, now I am going to use a formula just before I proved. So you recall that formula. Look at the students. If I consider both these two terms, clearly they are in the form. Clearly this one is in the form sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. We are having same x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. How much is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x? Just now we proved pi by 2. So that could be, you can make use of this pi by 2 because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals pi by 2. Now simplify this. What is LCM of these two? What is LCM of 4 and 2? 4. 4 because 2 divides 4. 4 divide. 4 divides 4 how many times? Once. 1 into pi, pi. Plus, divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 2 into pi, 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi by 4. We got the answer. One more way of solving it. So, overall, so that tan inverse 1. So, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So right. So tell me tan inverse 1 value. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 plus, this you know very well, if minus comes in cos inverse, how do you manage that? Use pi minus. In the last class I discussed that. In cos inverse, if minus comes, how do you manage that? Using pi minus. Pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2 plus, what is sin inverse minus x minus sin inverse x? Sin inverse minus x minus sin inverse x, plus into minus sin inverse 1 by 2. And now pi by 4 plus pi minus, look at this friends, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 it is appearing in cos. In sin 1 by 2 takes the angle 30 degree. If it takes 30 degree in sin, in cos it must take 60 degree. Pi by 3 minus, so 1 by 2. For this number 1 by 2, sin takes 30 degree. Pi by 6. Now you think of simplifying this. Look at this students. What is LCM of this? 6, not 12. What is LCM of these numbers? 12. Find out LCM. So otherwise, minus 30, minus 60, minus 30, minus 90. You look at this, pi by 4 plus 5. Look at this students. Minus 30, minus 60. How much is minus 30, minus 60? Minus 90, minus pi by 2. Or otherwise you go for finding LCM for these all the terms, right? Plus 5, sorry, minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. Once again, pi by 4. 180 minus 90, 90. 180 minus 90, 90 plus pi by 2. So I am getting same thing, students. I am getting same thing. Answer should be 3 pi by 4. I am getting same thing. Answer should be 3 pi by 4. So I hope you understood this. Let us go for one more question. So let us solve one more question. So right. Next question, cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So easy question. One more easiest question. Look at this students. Solution. Cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2, if 1 by 2 comes in sin, we use 30. If it same number comes in cos, it must be 60. So how much is cos inverse 1 by 2? 60, not 30, be careful. So write pi by 3 plus 2 into sin inverse 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 in sin means 60 or 30? 30, pi by 6. 2 3s are pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Same denominators are the numerators. Pi plus pi, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Let us solve one more question. So write, find the value of tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse minus 2. Again one more easiest question. So write, solve that students. So tan inverse root 3 minus what is secant inverse minus x? Pi minus. So where we use pi minus? Cos inverse, cot inverse, secant inverse. So what is secant inverse minus x? Pi minus, use bracket, pi minus secant inverse 2, right? So tan inverse root 3 minus into plus, minus pi, minus into minus, plus. You need not to go for changing secant inverse into cos inverse. What is secant inverse x? Cos inverse 1 by x. Not required. I write the value directly for this itself. 2. Secant is related to cos now. 2 means 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 comes in sine, we use 30. If 1 by 2 comes in cos, we use 60. 2 is coming in. 2 is appearing in secant related to cos. Is it 60 or 30? It must be 60. 60. Or you use this pi by 3. Or you use this secant inverse 2 is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. What is secant inverse x? Cos inverse 1 by x. We proved formulas. We proved those formulas. So cos inverse 1 by 2. Is it 30 or 60? 60. 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 comes in sine, we use 30. If same 1 by 2 comes in cos, it must be 60. Tan inverse root 3. Tell me the value of tan inverse root 3. 60 or 30? 60. 60. 1 by root 3. I told you to remember. 1 by root 3. 1 root 3. 1 by root 3 it is for 30 degree. 1 it is for 45 degree. So root 3 it is for 60 degree. Is it 60 or 30? 60. Pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 3. Find out LCM solution. What is LCM of these? 3. 3 divides 3 once. 1 into pi minus 1 divides 3 times. 3 into pi 3 pi plus 3 divides 3 once. 1 into pi plus pi 2 pi. 2 pi minus 3 pi. 2 pi minus 3 pi by 3. How much is 2 pi minus 3 pi? Minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3. So next, let's go for. So prove the following. So write, prove the following. Prove the following. Next question. Prove the following. So write, prove the following. Prove the following. Prove the following. First question. So 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So with extra condition, mod x is less than or equal to 1. Second one, 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. X is greater than or equal to 0. Third question, 2 tan inverse x equals tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So minus 1 less than x less than 1. So proving these formulas is so easy, students. It's dead easy. Look at this. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Look at this, students. Look at this. So you by head this. When you observe, when you look at these things, so we will get some formulas into our mind. Tell me formulas related to this. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta sin 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta cos 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta tan 2 theta. You learned these formulas in your first view. I write the formulas. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta sin 2 theta So write 2 tan theta, sorry, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. You all proved, you all learnt these identities in first PUC. So how to remember? I have a logic to remember. You just by heart this formula, students. So then remembering these two is so easy. So that is, it is just like by heart one get 2 free, just like discount. So buy 1 get 2 free, right? Buy 1 get 2 free. It's so easy. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. What is tan 2 theta formula? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. You make this minus as plus, then it becomes sin 2 theta. By seeing this shape, you remember this shape, that means 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. It is related to cos. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square, it is cos. Tan, sin, cos. Remember that. You take, proving this is so easy. Every time you take RHS and go for put. So tell me what put to be taken for this sin theta. Why should that sin theta be taken? We have sin inverse. Tell me put for this, tan theta. For all these you take tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Because 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square, sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin get cancels. Here also you take tan theta. For this one also you take tan theta. Go for proving. First one I take RHS solution. So RHS. What is RHS? Sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. You always use this put x equals tan theta. This put always works for all the problems. Put x is equal to what? Tan theta. So now is equal to sin inverse. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So right. So sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sin inverse, what is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Sin 2 theta. Students, sin inverse get cancelled. Sin and sin inverse are getting cancelled. Okay, how much it is? 2 theta. So 2 into 2 theta. This is 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Substitute back for theta. What is theta? Tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. I hope you got the LHS. We proved. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, you go for proving one more. Proving that is so easy. Second one. Again, you go for proving RHS. What is RHS? So write cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Tell me put, students. Put must be tan theta only, because we have a formula. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square theta means cos 2 theta. If I write cos 2 theta for this, cos inverse get cancels. Getting cancelled means it is getting simplified. Simplification is possible. Put x equals tan theta. So cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So cos inverse, what is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square? Cos 2 theta. Cos inverse get cancels. 2 theta. 2 into what is theta, students? Tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. LHS. So we proved RHS is equal to LHS. Similarly, you prove that third one. So how do you prove that third one? Same thing. Third one, RHS. So what is RHS? tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Put x equals tan theta. So tan theta. So is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So that is tan inverse. What is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta? Tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta. Tan get cancels. That is 2 theta. That is 2 into what is theta? Tan inverse x. So is equal to LHS. I hope you learned how to prove these simple questions, friends. We shall stop this class. Okay, thank you.